Yan sa mga pinanghahawakan para mag-aral mabuti. Sabi nyo, ako ang kauna-unahang Pinoy na nakatupad sa mga pangarap.
Mga kasis.
Dahil sa hirap ng buhay, hindi kayo, dahil sa hirap ng buhay, hindi nyo natupad ang mga gusto nyo. Kaya eto ako ngayon, unti-unti kong tinutupad para sa inyo bilang sukli sa lahat ng sakripisyo ninyo. Ma, pa, nay, tita, hindi mahalaga ang mag-working. Ang mahalaga kumain kayo halaga. Gaya ng pag-aalala nyo sa akin, huwag nyo rin sana kalimutan kumain palagi kahit wala kayong mahal. Huwag nyo rin sana kalimutan ang inyong sarili. Dahil kayo lang ang meron ako, may pagmamalaki ako at ipagmamalaki ko. I'm grateful to have you as my teacher. I remember when I submitted my requirements to enroll, you were in the coordinator's room and you accepted me as one of your students in your section. You're also the reason why I am here. I didn't know how to express my gratitude, but I want you to know that I appreciated you not only as my teacher. You're my second parent, my mentor, my guardian, and so much more. Alam ko pong isa ako sa nagpasakit sa ulo nyo, nagpatawa, nagpaiyak. I may not know how exactly you helped me rise up, but you became one of my biggest motivation to achieve what I've always wanted. Thank you for the 2 years of guiding me and my fellow students. I didn't see how you worked behind the scenes, but I truly felt it. Every effort you made for us was worth it. This is the only thing I can give you that will last forever. Maraming salamat, Sir Joven. Hindi niyo mo makakalimutan ng isang Pinoy. Ang inyong presidente ay pasimuno ng ingay at estudyante niyong laging nagre-reklamo. Ngayon, nililisan na. Hindi kita kalimutan at hindi ka namin makakalimutan. Now that I've expressed my gratitude, let me share my journey. I was already enrolled at my old school, where I completed junior high. My friend, who attended the same school, wanted to cancel our registration. And thankfully, we managed to withdraw our enrollment form successfully. JBI was one of my choices, and it also my friend's choice. To make a long story short, my 2 friends and I ended up enrolling at the JBI. Naisip namin na gusto namin ng bagong environment na kung saan mas makikilala namin ang tunay namin kakayahan. Hindi sa pagbubuhat ng sarili ng bangko, pero mula pagkabata ay maingay na ako, pati na rin ang pangalan ko. Grade 1 pa lang, lumalaban na ako sa iba't ibang paaralan. Nagpatuloy ito hanggang ngayon. Proud na proud ako sa sarili ko kasi minsan panalo, madalas talo. Ako pa naman isang estudyante liban sa school o liban sa classroom dahil lagi nagpa-practice. Sa paghubog sa akin ng panahon, nabuo ang pagiging competitive ko. Aaminin ko, hindi ako basta-basta nagpapatalo. Kaya labis na lang ang pagkadismay ako kapag hindi ko nakukuha ang gusto ko. Hanggang ngayon ay daladala ko pa rin ito. Because of that, I felt that my life is just a series of repetitive events that a lot of us want to break free from. Growing up, I realized that I keep on trying, achieving, proving, and showing that I am the best of the best. At sa prosesong ito ay hindi madali. Alam ko may mga times na it's becoming more frustrating when there are times that I don't get what I want. I tend to feel disappointed and bad to the point that I forgot the main reason why I was there. I admit, I sometimes forget the main reason or the main purpose is to enjoy every bit of it. Sometimes I feel that I'm not good enough because I feel blue, tired, and empty. All throughout the day, I am affected by how I feel, which leads to not having a good day. But I keep on reminding myself that it was just a bad day, not a bad life. When I discovered the Latin phrase, Carpe diem, which means seize the day. I must make my life extraordinary. I hope everyone does the same thing. We must live our life to the fullest. We must enjoy the present and not think too much about our future. Because what we are doing today will shape our tomorrow. We must take what destiny brings us. Kung papipiliin ako kung Dubai Chewy Cookies or Ilocos Empanada, ewan, siguro yung batang ako na hindi na-disappoint pag hindi nakukuha yung gusto at hindi pinipressure ang sarili. I'm here, standing in front of you, not because I am the best, but because of my compassion, hard work, and perseverance. Gusto kong maging isang halimbawa sa inyong lahat kung paano maging masipag, hindi kung paano maging matalino. Maging isang alaala sana ako sa inyo na hindi kailangan i-pressure ang sarili para sa mga bagay-bagay. I remember our first competition when we entered this school.